baby? Good. How about you? You enjoyed it, huh?
Yep, it's a beautiful morning.
Yeah. Look at this. That's very cool.
Beautiful morning to be doing some stuff like this.
Yeah. You did a lot of work.
Yeah.
It's easy to pull with this one, isn't it?
Those big ones I'm gonna have to dig out and then push it with the bulldozer.
So this area gonna be the lake?
Yeah. The dam's gonna be over there. And I'm gonna dig out this whole entire thing. All this kind of this mound that you see that's got all the trees on it, I'm gonna dig all that out and use that dirt for my to build the dam with.
Yeah. So, baby, you have working so hard this morning. I'm so proud of you. You
Yeah.
pulled out a lot of trees.
We got a bunch of them down.
Yeah.
Surprised it went that fast. I was figuring it'd take maybe 5 or 6 days.
Well, you just can go around and do all the small trees first, and the big one we're gonna do later.
Yeah, the big ones. I got to figure out a way to get them out because, man,
Maybe
they're
we
not
think
budging.
about how to soften the soil.
But yeah,
Get some water in here, and you know, maybe
'cause
let's
that soil right there is dry,
Really?
rock hard.
Yeah. Look at this. Look at this one. It's like a metal or steel or whatever. It's not moving.
It doesn't do anything.
It needs to have a lot of rain. You know? Bees going around.
Yeah, maybe some rain will help that.
You said next week we're gonna have some. Yeah, you did a lot of good work this morning, honey.
Yeah, so
Pull a lot of trees.
I'll come out and go around